Hello my beautiful people. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to make a crochet tulip flower. Now let's begin. Start off with a magic ring with 6 single crochets in the round. Don't forget to pull the string and tighten the circle. Chain 1 and increase in each stitch. This will bring the count to 12. Finish with a slip stitch. Chain 1 followed by a single crochet and an increase 6 times around. Finishing with a slip stitch. Chain 1 again, make a single crochet, increase, then another single crochet, 6 times around. Finish with a slip stitch. Chain 1, followed by 3 single crochets and an increase 6 times around. Finishing with a slip stitch. Chain 1, make 2 single crochets, increase, and another 2 single crochets, 6 times around. Finish with a slip stitch and chain 1. From rows 7 to 17, you'll be making 36 single crochets around, followed by a slip stitch and chain 1 for each row. At the end, make sure to leave a long tail to sew up the top of the tulip flower. We will now start on making the leaf for the tulip. Start by 31 chain stitch. At the end, add the wire, slip stitch in the second stitch from the hook. Now make 2 single crochets, three half double crochets, 18 double crochets, three half double crochets, and 2 single crochets. Cut the tail off and make a peacock stitch at the end. Turn and bend the wire for easy handling. Then start with 2 single crochets, 3 half double crochets, 18 double crochets, 3 half double crochets, and 2 single crochets. Finish off with a slip stitch and leave a tail to wrap around the rest of the wire. Make sure to twist the wire and glue the yarn down and around. Make sure to add the wire for the stem and stuff the flower head. Now start by sewing the middle, then folding and sewing the middle once more. To make sure the stuffing doesn't spill out, make sure to sew up the edges. Tie the green yarn at the base of the tulip flower around the support stem wire. Glue down and start wrapping down the wire. Once you get a good length, you'll add the leaf, glue, and wrap down. And there you have it, your very own crochet tulip flower. Thank you for watching.